Alright, ladies and gents, welcome back to another drawing in perspective video. This one is going to be how to draw a 6x6x6 cube in 3-point perspective. Okay, so for my students, this is what I want you to do. Set up your paper with a horizon line up top, probably about 2 inches from the top of the paper. Your 2 vanishing points, and your 3rd vanishing point is going to be in the center, straight down, somewhere down there. Don't forget that we don't want to draw anything that's near the vanishing points. So in this area, you just leave that stuff blank, and your drawing goes in this area here. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to start with an edge that draws down to that 3rd vanishing point, and is really as long as you want it to be, but something like that. We're going to draw this just like it's a 2-point perspective. Take the bottom, draw it to both vanishing points. Take the top and do the same thing. Your back lines are not going to be parallel anymore because we're doing 3-point perspective. They're going to be tilted in and towards that 3rd vanishing point. Something like that. And then you get your crisscross at the top. This goes to the left side. This one goes to the right side. Alright, so what you're going to do to make this a 6x6x6 is you're going to, along this front edge, put 5 dots in there. So if you want, you could do the center one first, and then you can split these into thirds, and split those into thirds. Those will draw to both vanishing points left and right. Stop when you hit the back of the object. So that's one side. Take the same points and draw them towards the other point. Alright, you get something like that. Now you're going to do the same thing on this edge and this edge. You're going to put a dot in the middle, and then you're going to break it into thirds. Those dots will go on a crisscross to the opposite vanishing point. Now my marker is going to get kind of thick up here, but I think you guys understand what I'm trying to do here. You get something like that, and then we're going to go the other way. Again, it looks real thick up top, but it should look like a waffle. Alright. Now, where those points hit, you'll go towards the 3rd vanishing point. And you get something like that on that side. And you do the same thing on the far side. And that's it. You erase your extra. Leave your horizon line, and this is going to be an entryway into our next project, which is called the Recube project. Okay, and what that'll be is basically we're going to take some of these boxes and reshape them and make a different shape out of them, using 1x1x1 boxes. All right, so I appreciate you guys watching. This was another drawing in perspective video. We're using 3-point perspective, and we're drawing a 6x6x6 cube, kind of like a Rubik's Cube, but bigger. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Catch 'em all.